Hello! We are back with Community Journey the Center of Hawthorne. Sorry. Now we will keep going in the game. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah! There we go. Die. Oh, I forgot to say, what I did off screen was I got myself a battle axe and a few more weapons. Nothing much. Got everywhere. Oh, don't get a new weapon. Here I go again. Mama, how could I understand? I love the song. Which probably makes me gay, because this is a gay island, make as gay as possible. Yeah, come on. Nope, you can't get through. Whoa! Huh. Nope. Don't die. Yeah. Oh, that's a close one. No! God. Okay. Come on. Do this. Let's do it. Wait, let's go. Quickly. Okay, we got 9. Let's get that. Oh no, I never use the map. I don't like using it. No. Nice dodge. And we're back. Okay, good. Ah! Come on! Okay, now I'm getting angry. I'm gonna pwn these guys. I'm gonna pwn everybody here. Yeah. Pwn everybody, I said. Yeah. Oh. There we go. Pwning. That's fine. With the fire within my soul. I don't get how the song is gay. I really don't. I got healed up. Oh, yep, heal. Yes. Thank you. I'm healed. Yeah, there we go. What? I think I missed that before. Yeah. Oh, I have another close one. Okay, now I'm gonna get this now. Yes, I got it. Okay. Come on. Kill him. Hey, rainbow clouds. I love them. They're so cool. Whoa. This battle axe, I like it because it goes farther. So much easier. Get down here. You're going. 3 shots kill. Oop, this reminds me of something. Duck. Well, I guess this is a good place to leave it. Bye-bye.